Looking for a simple way to upgrade your car's audio without replacing the entire stereo? The SCOSCHE BTFM5 BTFREQ Bluetooth car kit adapter delivers exactly that: wireless music streaming and hands-free calls with crystal clear sound, all through your existing vehicle radio. Imagine driving with no tangled cords, no distractions, and clear calls even in noisy traffic. I recently tested the BTFM5 in my 2005 Chrysler 300, which has a large navigation screen but an older radio system. Instead of investing in a costly new stereo, this adapter plugged right into the 12 volts USB port and paired effortlessly with my phone. Streaming music felt seamless, and the call quality was impressive, no more shouting over road noise. Plus, the built-in controls let me adjust volume, pause music, and answer calls without fumbling for my phone. It even supports voice assistants like Siri and Google Voice, making hands-free interaction smooth and safe. What makes this device stand out is its versatility. Whether your phone connects via Bluetooth or through the included 3.5 mm aux cable, you get reliable audio transmission. The dual 12W USB ports also double as fast chargers, so you can keep 2 devices powered up during long drives. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, MP3 players, and more, it's backed by a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking to enhance your car's audio system without breaking the bank or dealing with complicated installs, this adapter is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values convenience, clear calls, and quality sound on the road, the SCOSCHE BTFM5 BTFREQ Bluetooth car kit adapter is a practical solution. It fits right into your car's existing setup, keeps your devices charged, and lets you focus on driving while staying connected. Try it when you're ready to experience hands-free calling and wireless music streaming without the hassle.